The use of technology in crime fighting will be ramped up in the next financial year. The Security Minister gave a breakdown during Wednesday's Standing Finance Committee meeting.
Based on the proposed expenditure for the Security Ministry, Opposition spokesperson on Finance, Julian Robinson, questioned the $1 billion allocation for capital goods. Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang broke down the figures to $359 million for transportation, to include additional vehicles for the police force. Technology purchases accounted for the larger share, $671 million. Dr. Chang listed the projects.
Aviation Communications, JCF Communication Network, the Computer-Aided Dispatch Center, Jamaica Eye Fingerprint Upgrading System, bringing in the automatic fingerprinting integration, which is APIS, which is just setting in place. Then Jamaica has several projects around that, and traffic ticket management system, including the handheld equipment to come in. The microwave network has to be upgraded, and much of these have started already, and we are completing them.
This allocation brings to $3.8 billion the amount spent on security technology since 2018. On the other hand, Mr. Robinson questioned the absence of any significant allocation for the Department of Correctional Services. This, even as the minister has indicated plans for a new modern prison to be built. That project is to be led by the Development Bank of Jamaica, TVJ.
What is the status of that in terms of preparation?
We look at a 3,000 facility with a high security component to it. What is required in a modern prison to ensure that it's secure, but have the required rehabilitative features. And currently they're going to assess the development of essentially the terms of reference for it, the scope of work for such a prison. And then invite private sector bidding into it, because I want to do it on a private-public partnership basis.
What kind of time frame you're looking at for that?
I'd expect to complete all of that preliminary work during the course of this year so we can go out next year to market.